2025 is bringing a smartphone revolution. Big brands are preparing to launch some game-changing devices. In this video, let's take a look at 5 upcoming smartphones that might just blow your mind. Let's start with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. With a 200-megapixel camera, enhanced AI features, and extended battery life, it's expected to be Samsung's most powerful phone yet. Rumors say it'll feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor and support 6K video recording. Next up is the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Apple might finally ditch bezels and introduce an in-display fingerprint sensor. With the new A19 Bionic chip, this iPhone could be a beast for gaming and video editing. OnePlus 13 Pro is coming with a 5,000 mAh battery, 150-watt fast charging, and AI-powered cameras. Leaks suggest it might compete with DSLRs in mobile photography. Xiaomi 15 Ultra is rumored to feature a custom Lepton sensor 100x zoom and the new Surge AI chip. It could be the best flagship killer in 2025. Nothing Phone 3 is expected to come with a stunning transparent design, a 144Hz AMOLED display, and an improved Glyph interface, a perfect pick for those who love unique phones. So, these are 5 upcoming smartphones to watch out for in 2025. Which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Super like, share, subscribe.